The Samsung Galaxy M56 is a strong mid-range contender, continuing Samsung's tradition of offering great value for the price. Here's a detailed review of its key aspects. Design and build quality. The Galaxy M56 features a sleek and modern design with a slim profile, making it comfortable to hold. The build is primarily plastic but feels premium, with a glossy finish that adds to its aesthetic appeal. Samsung has included a large 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display that's vibrant, offering excellent color accuracy and deep blacks. This makes it perfect for streaming and gaming. Display. The 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display is a standout feature. With Full HD Plus resolution 2400 by 1080 and a high refresh rate of 120 Hz, it provides smooth scrolling and crisp visuals. Whether you're watching videos or browsing social media, the display performs well even under direct sunlight, thanks to its high brightness levels. Performance. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 chipset, the Galaxy M56 ensures a smooth and lag-free experience for most tasks. Whether you're multitasking, playing games, or using resource-heavy apps, it handles everything with ease. Paired with 6GB or 8GB of RAM depending on the variant, it offers efficient performance in day-to-day activities. Camera. The Galaxy M56's triple camera setup includes a 6MP primary camera, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 5MP macro lens. The main camera captures sharp and detailed images in good lighting conditions, while the ultra-wide sensor is great for landscapes and group shots. In low light, Samsung's software optimization helps, but the results can be a bit noisy. The front-facing 32MP selfie camera does a solid job in delivering clear selfies. Battery life. Equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, the Galaxy M56 offers excellent battery life. On average, it can easily last a full day of moderate to heavy usage, thanks to Samsung's power-efficient software optimization. For fast charging, it supports 5W fast charging, which helps you top up the battery quickly when needed. Software. The phone runs on One UI 5 based on Android 14, which is clean, intuitive, and packed with customization features. Samsung's UI is polished and user-friendly, with minimal bloatware and useful features like Samsung Knox for security. Conclusion. For those seeking a balance between price and performance, the Samsung Galaxy M56 stands out as a great choice. It offers a beautiful display, solid performance, a decent camera system, and long-lasting battery life. It's perfect for users who want a reliable smartphone without breaking the bank. The only drawback may be the plastic build, but that's expected in this price range. Overall, it's a value-packed device that delivers on almost every front.